Hi all. In a previous session we learned how to create a file using a cat command. Like I am logging as a root user in my system ls-hel. I am in currently /root directory. So I will create a file cat tom is not there, so we'll create cat tom, or else let me give some meaningful name test. Okay, now we will enter some content. Hi, this is tom, and control D, file got saved. Now we will read this. Okay, this is my file. So as you can see, content is here. Now if I try to override this test, okay, hi, this file is just so you can see the content is overwritten over here. Okay, let me again read it. Okay, so if you want to stop this, that no one will by mistaken or is will not get override, so for that you can set one variable for your shell, set -o noclobber. Okay, so this is set. Now if you try to do this test, you cannot overwrite. You can append this file, but this will not get override. Hi, this is just appended. Okay, control D, cat test. If you see, it got appended, but if you want to override this file, it will not allow you. So accidentally when you want to do like append this file and by mistaken you forgot to mention one, only you have mentioned only one greater than symbol, so it will get override. So for accidental override you can set the parameter set -o noclobber. Okay, if you want to still you want to like override, so you have option cat greater than symbol then pipe symbol and give that file name test. Hi, this is edited. Now control D, if you see the content of this file, now it got overwritten. So if this parameter is set noclobber, and if you are using this, then you are able to override this file. But else if you want to do this greater than symbol in this, so it will not allow you. So in this manner you can set your system or current shell that accidental override will not work. Okay, so if you want to remove this, set +o no clobber. Okay, now you will be able to append the file as normally we do. See, it's not giving any error. Control D, so that means file got blank over here. See, it's not having any content. So if we do long listing, we will show the size of this file is 0. Okay, so again I am going to show you how to identify this noclobber parameter set for your current shell or not. So for that, set pipe grep shell options. This is a command. If you see, there is nothing noclobber mentioned over here. If I execute set -o no clobber, and if you again run this command, you will see noclobber is here. Okay, so it's a bit difficult. Like for removing this noclobber, you have to mention +o, and for adding this, you have to use -o. So see that parameter again removed, but this is a temporary one. If I set like this, and if I do cat a or cat text Okay, is there. If I want to do test, so it won't allow us to modify this or override this. So I'm taking another session of this, new session, home server. Okay, this is my system. I am entering the password, ls-hel. I am in the same directory, file is here. If I do cat test, nothing is there. I will try to override this test. See, it's allowing me. So that means it's only for your current session, current shell. Okay, so I'm minimizing this one. I'm going back to my previous window, this one, ls-l, where I have set that parameter that do not overwrite any of the file. So to make it permanent for all the terminal for current user, like currently we are having a root user, so I will give you one file name. So see ls-la, we have one file called bash rc. This is our profile. Like whenever we log in into this system using a root user, this is the last file that is read. Okay, so we will set command here, echo. For time being, you just pen down this command. I will tell you the file and all the things later. Noclobber. But where we are going to append this, /home /root bash rc dot bash rc. Okay, so if we read this file, cat root dot bash rc, so this file got appended over here. Okay, so this session I'm just exiting it. I will open a new session, so we will see this got implemented or not. Cat append override and test. See, it's working now. I'm just exiting this. So we are on the same terminal now. Back to this terminal. So after appending that file .bash rc, whenever root user try to log in into instance this server, whenever a root user log into this system, that file will get read ls-l, the location of the file, home directory. For home directory, what we have tilde symbol dot /bash rc. This is a file. Okay, if we read this file, home directory dot bash rc. So this file will get read and this command got executed. So this noclobber parameter is set to root user by default. So we will not able to append file. We will not able to override a file. Append is possible. See, append is working. And if you still want to do, so what you have, cat greater than symbol, pipe symbol, file name. You can override this. Tom, Control D, cat test. See, it got override. So in this manner you can save your file, like it will not get override by mistaken. So if you want to append it or by mistaken you have forgot to add 2 greater than symbol, by default you mention 1 symbol, so it will get override. So accidental override will be saved by this noclobber command. So this is a specific for shell. For current user, if you want to do, you have to make entry in home directory of that user .bash rc file. If you add this line to all the users, so this will be set. So what we can do for all users, like I am going to as a Tom, new session I am taking, root user. Okay, it's prompting me a root only, so I am not taking this. I am creating a new session. I have IP 192.168.0.27. User is Tom. Okay, password of that Tom user. So what we'll do, but where we are, okay, let me increase the size of this change setting. Preferences, change. Okay, 12 is enough. Apply. So we are in /home/Tom. So if we do cat test1 here, no such file or directory, so we will create that. Hi, this is my file. Control D, cat content is there. If I want to override this, test1 override, Control D, so it got overwritten. Again, if you want to do it, will get overwrite. See, now it's a blank file. So I am going to set this noclobber for entire user, all the user which are belongs to this system. So what we have, I became root user, cat/etc bash. So for all user, what we'll do, cat/etc profile we have. So in this profile we will set that parameter. Okay, so we'll do echo noclobber to /etc profile. So that file got appended. See, is there. So I'm going to log out from this session. Control C, Control D for exit. I'm again taking a session. Right click, new session, 92.168.0.27. User is Tom. Password for Tom user. Okay, ls-l. What we have? We have text1 cat. So it's set for this user as well. Even though I didn't set any parameter in home directory of bash, bash file of this home directory, bash rc. See, noclobber is not there. If you want to see the so if you want to see that set parameter is there or not, so what you can do, set pipe grep shell opt options. See, it's by default over there. So if I create a new user, so it will get applied to all the users which are currently created or which will be created in a future. Okay, so we have set this in a profile for all the users. Okay, so in this manner you can set this noclobber for single user or for multiple users or for all the users, so that they are not going to overwrite any of the file by mistaken. So if they want to do overwrite, so they have option. So that's all for today. See you in the next session.